Hey everybody,
70s easily.
here we have an old Carrier, and there's an ambulance passing by. Old Carrier. I don't know, 60s or 70s?
I doubt there's any data.
I didn't know this was here. And I've been driving past this thing daily for years. Oh, here's the data.
Is it legible?
It's a metal tag. Yeah, it is. That will have to be decoded. You can kind of see inside from right there. Old, very old Carrier.
The funny thing is, we discovered this on accident.
It's off.
After making a wrong turn.
Yep, we make a wrong turn and we stumbled on this.
Convenient mistake. 1980 maybe?
I don't see this being from 80. I mean, look at that Carrier logo. This feels older than 80,
This
but
is
we'll have
60s
to
or 70s design,
have to look into it. And then there's this little Carrier in it here. Looks like an old 90s Carrier. This one's on. This looks almost new old stock. It's in pretty good condition for 2003. I think this was installed new old stock. It's in too good a shape for 2003.
It might still be used.
What do we think this? That's an old one. But yeah, that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.